How to solve large spacing problem in PowerPoint. So if you want to solve the large spacing problem in your PowerPoint, then first you need to open up your PowerPoint presentation or application. Select your slides, and if you have this large spacing problem, then what you can do is you can just simply click on the spacing and you can just press the backspace. But if that doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can just simply go with the alignment section. So first you need to select the text. After selecting, you can go with alignment. Here you can select middle alignment or the right alignment or left alignment. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just adjust the space. So you can make it like small or large, and after adjusting like this, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go with the spacing section right here and you can adjust the spacing. Or the last solution is you can select the text again and then go with font, and here you will have the arrow. Go with the arrow and go with character spacing, and under character spacing you need to make sure that you have selected normal, and here you can select 0 or 0.5, and then make sure that you've selected this option. Make sure that you've checked that, and you can go with OK, and it will remove the extra spacing. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.